You know what I mean?
I know.
My girlfriend at work, she'll walk up to me and she'll go, "That booty though, girl." You know what I mean? Men don't do that for each other.
So this camera angle is pointed a little more down, but I looked at some of the video today and I could still see the horizon, so I don't want to tear this all apart and remount it if it's not the camera that I'm having issues with. So here we go. We got some of the normal people. We got a couple new people, a couple normal people that I haven't met yet, maybe, or one. I don't know. Do we have two 701s in the mix tonight? We got this big old Beamer right here. Got a, looks like a Ninja 650R over there. Oh, and look what just rolled up. Yeah. Oh, we're about the Husky today. It's not on that big ass 1290 like usual. All right, about to get the show on the road. We're waiting for one more person right here. Mr. Willie Man with the skinny back tire. I think that's a 501 or something. What the hell is with Husqvarna? Everything has to have a 1 at the end. The 701, the 401, the 501. How about just a 500 or a 700? Because I mean a 700 would be pretty sweet. All right. Off we go, off we go. So I can take this time to talk to you guys about a couple things that I've shot this video. This is the crazy part. I don't know, we'll see what happens. I think I've shot this video at least 2 or 3 times maybe already. Maybe this is the 3rd time, so maybe the 3rd time's a charm. But we're going to talk about a couple things that I do or you guys see and I get comments about all the time. So I'm just going to talk about them, you know, whatever. Let you guys know why and what's up. And it's just because the first one's kind of silly, but it's like one of my habits. So, and it's my special secret turbo button over here to the side. No, you guys always see me like canceling my turn signals and stuff, right? So it's like and it's like I have a habit of it. It's just a habit, you guys. I don't know, it's a bad habit. So it's nothing like, you know, I think that having the turn signal on, you know, when you're not intending to use it could be a safety hazard. So I have a habit of shutting it off, you know, and the habit's so bad. Look at me, I'm doing it right now. It's such a bad habit that that sometimes I'll shut it off before I even get to the intersection, before I even make the turn, which is crazy. So I don't know, you know, it's kind of funny, There's some wet pavement there. Yep, so we're on a Thursday night ride. Got Captain America in front right here. This guy will show you how to get it done on a set of knobbies on, you know, little 250 or whatever. So alright, let's get into this. Gotta concentrate and do some of this stuff. Figure out what I'm doing here. I'm trying to talk to you guys at the same time. I know this road pretty good. Little 25ers through here. Good stuff though. A little bit to the inside there. Cruising through here in 3rd gear. Bit of body position here. This is always a fun road. I love this road. So the guy behind me I've never ridden with before. I think he's on a Shit, I think he's on a 701. Pulling some dink nooners out of the corners. Yeah. Nice. So talk about the next thing here on this Thursday evening ride would be that little blue light here. And this little blue light is my coolant level indicator light. I'm sorry, it's not being for real here. Okay, so that's going to be my high beam indicator light. I get asked about that all the time, and some people seem to get a little, I don't know, edgy about it. But and I even made a video about it like months ago. I was going to address it, but then I was like, nah, I don't want to, you know. But I just mentioned it, you know, kind of real quick in this video, and that's like, it's a safety thing, I guess. You know, it's more visibility for oncoming traffic to, you know, so like oncoming traffic can see you. I think that it's just adding more points to your visibility scale, or whatever you want to call it, or more points to your safety scale, whatever, you know. It's like every little thing you do can help. And you know, you're not going to blind anybody in the daytime running your brights on a motorcycle. Those are kind of just the way I see it. That's why I put auxiliary lights up front, so you know, I have more, could be more visible and stuff. So I'll let this guy turn because there's nobody behind me anymore, so I'm gonna kind of hold off for a second until I see a headlight. So anyways, a little insight to my stuff. My new brake pads are feeling good. I put new brake pads on it tonight. This is my first ride on them. They feel good. I put the EBC brake pads. If you guys haven't seen that video yet, check it out. It's up here. I showed you guys how I changed my brake pads. It's pretty cool. It's a freaking Husqvarna festival tonight. Jeez. This 701 sounds awesome. Woo! Alright, time to hunt some huskies. Yeah! Oh, this is crazy. Twisties here. Easy rev limiter. There's my second gear. Damn. tonight, but the breeze feels really good. This is the cruiser position of the Honda 701, in case you guys were wondering, right here. Bark. Jesus, that thing is like got the meanest bark. Uh-oh, we're gonna go fast. Dave's going to the front. Those wheelies, my gosh. Forgot the downshift. The new brake pads are feeling good. It's a firmer lever. I don't know if that makes sense, but yeah, the brake lever feels more firm with these brake pads. Slow her down, get on the binders.
Cameras no more.
Well, I know these roads a little bit. I have a distinct advantage. I know where every turn is.
A little bit of an advantage, huh?
I know where every fucking piece of gravel is on some of these fucking roads, man. Yeah?
Fans.
It's the bike you want.
Is it?
Yeah. It's the bike that deserves you for a rider and not me.
Oh, really?
Yeah, and Matt is consistently impressed with you riding that 500.
Oh, really?
Oh, he totally gets off on that. He loves it. He would never tell you that himself.
Okay.
Men,
Well, I'll
don't,
keep it.
men don't give that to each
Yeah, I
other.
know.
You know what I mean?
I know.
My girlfriend at work, she'll walk up to me and she'll go, "That booty though, girl." You know what I mean? Men don't do that for each other.
Yeah.
Like, we demonstrate a certain amount of trust for each other, and then we're like, "Hey, that booty though." You know what I mean? Give you a lift, like. Yeah, no, not only do we like your vlog, but we like watching you ride that 500.
Cool. Thanks. Thank you.
You're welcome. Don't tell him I told you.
All right, gotta get my gloves on. Jeez, took a break here and heading out. Everybody's got to pee. There's no place to pee here. All the bathrooms are closed down all the time. Let's do it. This BMW's rad. It's got the tunes cranking. Oh, here's our group. That BMW looks awesome from the front too. Look at it. Looking good. Got the Huskies. Got Captain America. Yeah. Anyways, bunch of chainsaw bikes out here. CBX500 is doing good. Brake pads are feeling good. Everything's doing good. Doing the MSF course right here. In case you were wondering. Pretty good. Pretty good. She's like, "What are you guys doing?" That was a nice Corvette. cool looking shot right there. The sun coming down. It's like they're having a visor cleaning get together over there. Alright guys, I hope you can hear me. This was an awesome night. I'm gonna sign off here. If you guys hang out for a little bit longer, I'll include some more footage. Don't forget about my Amazon links down below, guys. Got some links down there that has some of my equipment, including like these hand guards and like my GoPro stuff and that kind of the mount, you know, all that good stuff. Check that stuff out. Going back to like things I get asked about these hand guards quite a bit, so just check the links out below in the description. And slow down. I'm not paying attention here. I'm trying to talk to you guys and ride twisties in the front of the group too. There's a bad corner up here he's telling me about. So, but I think we already passed it. Get down into a proper gear here. So anyways guys, until next time, Oregon motorcycle.